Grilled steak with garlic butter. Enjoy your delicious grilled steak with garlic butter. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding your favorite herbs or spices to the butter for extra flavor. Ingredients: 2 ribeye or New York strip steaks, about 1 inch thick. Salt and black pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. For cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped. 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. Instructions: preheat the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Season the steaks. Remove the steaks from the refrigerator and let them come to room temperature for about 30 minutes. Pat the steaks dry with paper towels and season generously with salt and black pepper. Grill the steaks. Brush the steaks with olive oil on both sides to prevent sticking. Place the steaks on the preheated grill and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare, adjusting the time based on your desired doneness. Make the garlic butter. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Stir in the chopped parsley and remove from heat. Serve. Once the steaks are done, transfer them to a cutting board and let them rest for a few minutes. Pour the garlic butter over the steaks before serving. Optional. Sides. Serve the steaks with your favorite sides, such as roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, or a fresh salad. Garnish your perfectly grilled steaks with a sprinkle of additional chopped parsley for a burst of freshness. The garlic-infused butter adds a rich and savory note that complements the smoky char from the grill. Each succulent bite is a symphony of flavors: the robust taste of well-seasoned beef, the subtle crunch of the seared exterior, and the velvety finish of garlic butter. Please like, share, and subscribe today for more brewed content with Ms.Coffee.